Welcome to Valencia, Spain's sun-kissed gem on the Mediterranean coast. This city is a vibrant blend of ancient history and cutting-edge modernity. Roman ruins and futuristic architecture stand side by side, creating a unique skyline. Valencia's relaxed, friendly vibe makes it perfect for solo travelers. Safe, easy to navigate, and always welcoming. Wander at your own pace through historic neighborhoods or unwind on the city's wide, sandy beaches. The locals, known as Valencianos, are famously warm and make you feel right at home. Whether you're 22 or 65, Valencia offers independence and discovery for everyone. Admire a Gothic cathedral one moment, then marvel at modern art the next. Don't miss the lush Turia Gardens, a 9-kilometer green ribbon winding through the city. Rent a bike and explore, or simply relax and soak in the city's commitment to art, culture, and nature. This guide will help you make the most of your visit, covering must-see landmarks, delicious cuisine, and practical tips. Get ready to fall in love with Valencia, a true jewel of the Mediterranean. Let's dive in and discover what makes this city unforgettable. Your adventure starts now. Valencia is waiting for you. Let's go! Valencia's landmarks are a feast for the eyes. Start at the City of Arts and Sciences, a futuristic complex of white, sweeping structures reflected in blue pools. Explore the interactive Science Museum, catch a show at the IMAX, or simply stroll the grounds. Next, step into history at the Valencia Cathedral, a stunning mix of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles. Climb the Miguelete Bell Tower for panoramic city views, worth every step. For a breath of fresh air, head to Turia Gardens, a 9-kilometer park built in a former riverbed. Walk, bike, or relax among fountains, playgrounds, and lush greenery. Don't miss the Central Market, a vibrant Art Nouveau building packed with fresh produce, local delicacies, and lively chatter. Grab a juice or snack and soak up the authentic Valencian atmosphere. These sites capture the city's spirit where old meets new, and nature meets urban life. Valencia's beauty is everywhere you look. Each landmark tells a story. Take your time and let the city surprise you. Every corner offers something new. This is Valencia, dynamic, historic, and alive. Ready to explore more? Valencia is the birthplace of paella. Don't leave without tasting the real thing. Authentic paella is made with chicken and rabbit and local beans, cooked over an open fire for that signature crispy socarrat. Find a traditional restaurant for the best experience. Beyond paella, try horchata, a sweet, refreshing drink made from tiger nuts paired with soft, sugary fartins. Explore tapas bars in El Carmen for local bites like escarayet and clochinas. The Central Market isn't just for shopping. Grab a bocadillo and eat among locals. Valencia's food scene is vibrant, casual, and full of flavor. Visit during Las Fallas in March for fireworks and giant sculptures, or La Tomatina in August for the famous tomato fight. Even outside festival season, the city buzzes with outdoor concerts, art shows, and bustling markets. Every meal is a chance to connect with Valencian culture. Savor every bite. Let your taste buds lead the way. This is a city for food lovers. Getting around Valencia is a breeze. The city's metro, buses, and trams are efficient and easy to use. Grab a Valencia tourist card for unlimited rides and discounts. For a more scenic option, rent a bike. Valencia is flat, bike-friendly, and has over 150 kilometers of dedicated lanes. The Valencian bike-sharing system makes exploring effortless. Ride through Turia Gardens or along the beach promenade at your own pace. Valencia is safe, but stay alert in crowded areas and keep your valuables secure. At night, stick to lively, well-lit streets, especially in the city center. Embrace the local rhythm. Lunch is late, 4 p.m., dinner even later, after 9 p.m., and many shops close for siesta in the afternoon. Use this time to relax, visit a museum, or enjoy the gardens. A few Spanish phrases, hola, gracias, go a long way with locals. Blend in, be curious, and enjoy the city like a true Valenciano. Valencia rewards those who explore with an open mind. Every street has a story. Make the most of every moment. You're not just visiting, you're living Valencia. As your journey ends, you'll realize Valencia is more than a destination. It's a feeling. It's the sun on your face, the taste of paella, and the sound of laughter in a bustling plaza. This city invites you to slow down, savor each moment, and truly live. Be open, chat with locals, get lost in El Carmen, or relax at a sidewalk cafe. Valencia rewards curiosity and welcomes everyone. Here you can be yourself, adventurous, relaxed, or both. The city's spirit is contagious, and the memories you make will last long after you leave. Whether you crave art, history, beaches, or food, Valencia offers it all. Every visit brings new discoveries and reasons to return. So, pack your bags. Valencia is ready to welcome you. Come for the sunshine, stay for the spirit. Fall in love with this Mediterranean jewel. Your adventure awaits.